My first memories of Britain really were the fact that I realised that I was going to leave my parents. And I'd never really left my mother before. And I knew that my grandfather from my father's side was really unhappy that I was going, and I didn't know how far Britain was. The distance didn't make any sense to me. I knew Karachi was a long way away because it took a day and a half, 2 days to get there. But Britain made no sense to me. It just meant a place of incredible wealth and power.
My father came over here first. I think it wasn't so much the poverty that drove us here. I mean, we were quite comfortable when we were over there. I think it was more, I suppose the people in the ex-colonies thought, well, we were going to get better standard of education if we went to England, and that was the main reason why we came here. Well, my father came here, and 12 months later, we joined him.
It was cold. We came in October 1961, and you know, I'd never seen snow before. It snowed that year. It was cold. I didn't really want to be here. I missed my mum and my sisters, and it was quite a shock in terms of, you know, being in a totally different country.
My first memory was, I think, firstly landing at the airport and standing there and looking at all these different coloured people, you know, white people, African, black people, as such, and looking straight up into these people's eyes and seeing different coloured eyes and thinking that they were marbles, because in the village I used to play marbles, and the marbles are different green and blues and whatever, and thinking that these people had marbles in their eyes.
I remember feeling very cold at the airport because it was sometime in March, early March, I think we arrived. And I think I was fascinated by the vapour coming out of our mouth when we were breathing.
I was really homesick, and it was, as you know, the university started around October, and I was studying at the University of Nottingham. I went to the shop and I began to talk to somebody, Pakistani guy, and it's about 17 days I was in Nottingham, and the guy said, I've been here for 17 years. And I thought, how the hell this guy can live in this country for 17 years? So it was like very much kind of strange country for me.